Okay, camera angle is perfect. Okay, here we go. So hey guys, what's up? This is Sinan from Sinan's Base, and as you have seen in the thumbnail, here's the Beyblade set guys, but fully packaged as always. And I just recently got it from the delivery man, and let's see guys what's inside in the package. I don't know what did the seller just gave me, but I can already hear the sound guys. I think you can also hear the sound guys, you can see. Yeah, I think there is something in the package, but let's just quickly unpackage it. Let's see what's inside in the package. Okay guys, now it's time to unpackage. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. Okay, yeah guys, I can already see the package here, and yeah, wow. Let's see what's inside. And yeah guys, it's a metal Beyblade set as you have seen in the thumbnail. And guys, if you are hearing any type of background noise, I'm very sorry for that, because it's now summertime and very hot, and I'm making videos without using any fan. Here you go guys. Ooh, wow.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, but the bays are very wobbly here. Okay, not bad guys. I can see many things here. The launcher, and I think this is a grape and the Beyblades. Okay, let's see. I hope the seller gave me the accurate product. I hope so. Oh, bro! Yeah. Yo! Guys! Empty, fully empty. Wow. Yes. But I don't know why the Beyblades are upside down in the package. Here you go guys. Yeah, fully got the same accurate package as I have seen in the picture in the shopping site. And I bought this set from Shopee guys. It's a Philippine store. I will give the link in the description box. From there you can check out. Okay, let's just quickly unpackage the Beyblade set. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. Yo, wow. Is this El Drago? But yeah, it's El Drago, but with different fusion wheel and energy ring. Oh, wow. So nothing inside in the box, you can see. From the front side, it looks like this. And yeah, it's from Rapidity, a very common fake Beyblade company, or anything you can say. And from the back, as you can see Jenga here, El Drago with Libra fusion wheel, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so this is the package guys, nothing else. Okay. Oh guys, just look at that. I don't know why the base.
Yeah, boy.
Oh bro, it's Pegasus. Oh my god, wow. Guys, just look at that. It's Pegasus. Finally, after 8 years guys. Yes guys, I have bought Pegasus Beyblade almost 8 years ago like this. And yeah guys, Storm Pegasus was my first ever metal Beyblade. And yeah, after 8 years, getting this Beyblade is really amazing feeling. I don't know, it's my deep English guys. I'm very sorry for that. Oh wow. But yeah, it just came with a different tape, but I don't know guys. I think normally Pegasus uses a flat tape, but this is like a stamina tape. I don't know. Anyway, okay. And I don't know what is this. I think this is Sagittario, or I think it's Libra. Where's the fourth bay? And here you go guys. It's Eagle. I think Rock Eagle, I guess. Oh, there are many products here guys. Just look at that. This one is much better than the before one guys, and I just only got it only 1,000 rupees. Man, this one has more parts than the before one guys. Okay, let's just come with the parts. First of all, we have a spare ripcord here. Oh, not bad, very flexible. I think it's for this launcher. Wow guys, the quality is also good from the previous set. What the heck is this? Oh guys, I don't know what is this, but I think the prong is a little bit bended. And yeah guys, sorry for my deep English. Guys, this is a really big problem here. I don't know will the Beyblade load here or not. No guys, this launcher is no longer usable guys. You can see it's useless, bro. Just look at that guys. I can't even load the Beyblade on the launcher. It looks like guys, I think the launcher is bended. I think because of repackaging, I guess. Okay, I will try to fix this later. But anyway, the launcher is in good condition, and also it has mechanism guys. You can clearly hear the sound. Okay, here you go guys. Wow, not bad guys. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. Wow guys, very smooth, not bad. This launcher is very smooth guys. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. Yeah guys, very smooth. Like it, I really like it. Wow. Okay, let's just keep this aside. Okay, next we have this amazing string launcher guys. Yeah, my first ever metal Beyblade string launcher. Wow guys, not bad. Yeah, this launcher is in fully good condition. You can clearly see here. And I think this launcher is Jenga's launcher. I don't know. I think this launcher is Jenga's launcher. Wow guys, and here's the string guys. Yeah, pretty long guys, not bad. And yeah guys, a little bit smooth, not that much like the real one, but yeah, it's perfect. Wow, not bad guys. This is my first ever metal string launcher guys. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. Not bad. Yeah, quality is also decent guys, not that much good. And yeah, made in China, Chinese. Okay, yeah guys, retracts very well. I'm sorry for my deep English. Anyway, Next we have this Beyblade. Oh no guys, this one is actually damaged. The packaging was not good guys. The Beyblades are damaged guys, you can see. The grip is also damaged. What the heck? First the launcher, now the grip guys, just look at that. But anyway, still I can use it for a launcher. And you need to put the launcher like this way, and this is how you can set up the launcher. What the heck? What the... I can't even attach the launcher properly guys on this grip. Yeah, here you go. Okay, not bad. Here you go guys, launcher grip with string launcher. Wow, not bad. Yeah guys, quality is decent as always. I have got this same Beyblade grip long ago in another Beyblade set, which you have seen already in my channel. Okay, then we have two Beyblade tools here guys, which are actually regular tools. Yeah, good quality guys, not bad quality I would say. Perfect for Beyblade. Next we have some Beyblade tips here guys, you can see. Beyblade performance tips of metal Beyblades. Okay, here you go guys, you can see. This Beyblade set, guys, this Beyblade set is just amazing. I don't know, but I really like this Beyblade set a lot. Only in this 1000 rupees I got this much Beyblades and this much Beyblade parts, you can see. Yeah guys, there are many multicolored Beyblade parts you can see. First of all, this stamina type metal, stamina type performance tip. Then we have this another stamina type performance tip guys. Then we have another stamina type performance tip and another stamina type performance tip. I don't know guys if it's a stamina type performance tip or something else. Please let me know in the comments. And this one I think is a part of a Beyblade. I don't know what it's called. If you know, please let me know in the comments. Okay, here you go. And yeah, quality is decent guys. But they didn't give me any type of metal Beyblade tip or metal Beyblade performance tip. Next we have these weird looking Beyblade parts. Not bad, not bad. I am seeing this for the first time guys. Yeah, looks amazing. I can easily use this on the Beyblades guys to make the Beyblades more cool. Wow, not bad guys. Yeah, pretty much good quality guys, pretty much. This one will be perfect for Pegasus or this one because this one is blue. Okay, next we have this blue color. Come out. A very weird shape. I don't know what type of shade is containing, but yeah, looking really cool, not bad. It would be much better for rock eagle. Yeah, I will customize the Beyblade later. Then we have another Beyblade part here, and it's actually circular. Better for this Beyblade I guess, or for this Beyblade. Yeah, I will customize later. And finally we have these 4 amazing looking Beyblades. Yeah guys, fully got accurate as shown in the picture guys, you can clearly see here. Wow guys, not bad. And quality is guys decent I would say, not that much perfect. I think these Beyblades will get break very easily if I do some rough battles. And from the back side guys, these Beyblades are not that much thin like the other Beyblades that I have got from the first Beyblade set of the metal. Okay, but this one looks a little bit guys, yeah, thin. Okay, and this one came with a very weird performance tip. This one with the stamina. This one, yes, this one just came with the attack type, and I will use this on Storm Pegasus. And Storm Pegasus came with a stamina type. Okay, and yeah guys, quality decent. So I have got Libra, Eagle, El Drago and Pegasus. Yeah, Pegasus with accurate parts guys almost, except the tape, the performance tape. Okay, so that's all. So this is the parts, so this is the products that I got from this Beyblade set. And yeah guys, there are many parts here you can see. And for the price guys, it's actually worth it guys in my opinion. I got 4 Beyblades and many Beyblade parts with a string launcher and also a ripcord launcher with bad condition. And I will fix this later guys, not now. Okay guys, now it's time to weight the Beyblades. First let me weight this one. Let's see. Ooh, wow, not bad guys, 31 grams. Not that much bad guys, it's okay. Yeah, little bit heavy. Let's weight Pegasus, 30 grams, 1 gram less. Eagle, 31 grams, same. And let's just weight this one also. Wow, 32 grams, so this one is very heavy. Okay, now let's just quickly weight all the Beyblades together. Oh wow, 126 grams, not bad guys. I told you guys these Beyblades are not that much thin like those fake Beyblades that I have got from the first Beyblade set. Yeah, pretty much heavy. 126 grams, not bad guys. Yeah guys, this set is worthy for the price guys. If you really want a string launcher and also some Beyblades like this and also with a ripcord launcher, so this set is for you. This set is actually worthy guys. In only 1000 rupees you can easily get this to some battles. Okay, let's just test our Storm Pegasus, my favorite Beyblade. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. And here you go, attack type Bay. Oh, not bad. Yeah guys, Pegasus is trying to use the rails of the stadium. Yeah guys, pretty decent stamina. Okay, now let's do some battles. So shoot. 3, 2, 1, go. What the? Sorry. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Here you go guys. Battle started. Oh Okay, oh, metal contact points, guys. Oh, wow. Nice hit. And Storm Pegasus won this battle. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Finally, our Pegasus. Whoa. Oh. Libra go out. Pegasus and Flame Libra. Let's go. Flame Libra will win this one easily. Okay, Flame Libra won this one, guys, easily. Okay guys, that's all for the video. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you want the product, let me know. I will give the link in the description box. From there you can check out the product. And yeah, that's all for the video. Thanks for watching, and for these amazing videos, make sure to hit the like button and also
Just do it!